Hi, my name is Lyndsay, and I'm here at Formnext. We're here showing you the additive tunnel here at GE, and we're going to take you through each step of our additive journey, starting with looking at opportunities, going through the design for those opportunities for parts, and then going through our machines, powders, and industrialization. So follow me, let's take a look. Let's see how this works.
We learned you can't design in a bubble. Our design engineers had to collaborate every step of the way with our material scientists, process experts, and validation test engineers to drive the successful product disruption and work through all the challenges. We were constantly learning along the way, and in turn have developed a deep domain expertise that we offer to our customers through our consultation services. Because we've faced these challenges and experienced these successes with our own additive journey, we can help you navigate yours and find the path most beneficial to your organization's goals.